Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of One Minute Journaling. I'm Kumudini and I share tips on creative journaling for mental health on this channel. If you don't want to miss out on the content, please subscribe right now. The weather is really beautiful and I have made a sitting arrangement right in front of my balcony so that the air keeps coming in and I want to journal in this environment. Now, here's a quick takeaway for you. If you want journaling to stay with you, if you want it to become a habit, a hobby that actually helps you make your mental health better, then try to romanticize such moments where you know the weather is really beautiful, where you can sit down with your journal and you can really enjoy the whole process of how it looks like instead of making it a task. Okay. Now think of all the ways you can do it. And now let's move to today's prompt, which is, what does living fully mean to you? Don't second guess. Whatever is the first thought that comes to your mind, start jotting it down and then we'll proceed from there onwards. I'll repeat the prompt. What does living fully mean to you? And your time starts now. I got quite an insight on what does living fully mean to me, and I have quite a few things that I want to keep in mind. And I hope you have also gotten some kind of clarity. If yes, then from now onwards, try to live exactly the way that living fully means to you, right? Moreover, don't try to fit it into someone else's definition of what living fully means to them, or don't try to seek approval from someone. Just live it how you want to live it. Also, I hope these prompts are helping you understand yourself better. If yes, then stay tuned for the next video that's coming day after tomorrow.